So today we are installing almost 4,000 square feet of sidewalk gardens. We're here in the inner Richmond. I believe it's about 36 different properties.
Yesterday, we got our plant delivery really early in the morning. It was something like 2,000 plants. And then today, I started at 6 a.m. and started laying out the gardens. Volunteers arrived at 8, and we got planting.
It's not rocket science, but removing the concrete, getting the permits is kind of a pain. So they make it really easy. So we decided to organize.
We've gone door to door and we spent many weekends talking to our neighbors and just engaging them and talking about what the project is, how it's going to build community.
I think it's like a really positive feeling just seeing that I had an impact in the community and making it more beautiful.
I think everyone wants to be connected to their neighbors, they just don't really know how. So this is like a secret weapon to get to know your neighbors. It's just get them involved in a project like this, and then because it keeps going as you continue to care for the plants, and everyone feels like they're beautifying the street, it's like a positive project.
The cool thing is other people from around the area are now coming and seeing us doing all this, and they're saying, wow, I want to do this on my own block. How do I do it?
Today it is green, and that is spectacular to see. I mean, I was like almost in tears down at the corner where one of our neighbors who is new to the neighborhood pulled up an insane amount of concrete and basically planted like a botanical garden down there. So that is heartwarming. They're going around dozens of times every year creating this feeling of community in different blocks around the city. It's a gift that we have them.